This is the Iron Trader and TGIF. Now, there was a lot of really good trading again this week here. The crude oil long, the scalping of the natural gas, technology. A lot of really good trades here this week. So now remember, next week is closing out the month here next week. So just have to be very, very sharp. Okay, I'm going to be out of the office here from Sunday through Wednesday, so I won't be posting at the usual time. However, I still will be posting for crude oil and for natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, we had a really, really good support system off of here, ran right on up, right into the 200 SMA. Very, very nice. Okay, pull back a little bit, but now you can see where this 8-day, see how important this 8-day is? Okay, now that's going to be key support level here today. So you're looking at 75.73. If that is lost, then what we want to do is you want to look to the bottom of this candle right here, okay? So that would be 75.02. And then we look to the bottom of yesterday's candle, which is sitting at 74.52. And then we're looking at this 100 SMA here, sitting at 73.67. Obviously, if that's lost, then we come over here to your 21-day at 72.73, and then you have your 50-day right below that at 71.85. But the 8-day is going to be very, very key support level, and same way with the 100 SMA, very, very key support levels there. All right, now on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look at this candle right here, okay? So what you have there is 76.87. If you can get above, then what we have is your 200 SMA sitting at 77.21, and then you have your big retest there sitting at 77.30. Okay, so now if you can close above that key 200 SMA, then we start looking here to the left of all your candles here. Okay, so you want to look over here. You're looking at 78.39 here. You're looking at 79.18. And then we just keep on taking these candles right on up here. You got 81.24 here. You have 82.71. And then your big retest there is 83.53. But let's not get too excited here because you got your price channel right there sitting at 77.33 and your key 200 SMA here sitting at 77.21. Okay, so just look at this area here. See how it couldn't get through? This area here. Okay, see how it couldn't get through. So far. So we got to see how that all shakes out. Now, here on your weekly chart here, if you can get above this key 200 SMA here, then this is going to be your target right here, okay? Sitting at 78.82. That is going to be your 50 SMA here on your weekly. Very, very key resistant levels. Now, your support levels here, what you want to look at here is your key 21 SMA. Very, very key support level. You're sitting at 73.87. And then right below it here, we have your 8 SMA sitting at 72.42. Now, if you look at your 200 SMA here, so you can see how nice it held all the candles all the way. Very, very key support. The 200 and the 50-day, those are very, very key support levels there, sitting at 67.80. But right now, we just worry about here on the downside, here on the downside, okay, the key 8 SMA here, that's going to be very, very crucial here. And then on the upside, you want to watch is that 200 SMA. Now, remember, OPEC is going to have their meeting here on August 4th. So we got to see how all that shakes out. Last time, they held the cuts to an extra 1 million barrels per day, all of July and all of August. So we got to see what they're going to do. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have natty gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Now you can see right here how nice that the price now is above this key 21 SMA sitting at 2.66. That is going to be your key support level today. And then we have the 8 SMA here. I'm just going to bring it up right below that, sitting at 2.63. Those are going to be your key levels of support. Now, what you want to do is look at top of yesterday's candle, sitting at 2.789. If you can get above, then we just keep looking to the left here. You got 2.793, you have 2.82, and then your big retest here is sitting at 2.87. Okay, so if your 21-day and your 8-day is lost, which not looking too likely today. Then we look down to this 50 SMA here, sitting at 2.48, and then we look at your 100-day sitting at 2.40. Now, the key is going to be this price channel, which is still intact. And if you look at the bottom of the price channel, it keeps on making higher highs. That's always very good. You're getting a squeeze here, so it's either going to rip right on up here or rip down. And it looked like it might just rip a little higher here, get to your key level here, which is this 3.027. That would be the first target there, okay? So when do we look on your weekly chart here? Well, this is looking pretty good. See your 8-day right there sitting at 2.55. That's going to be your support level, but that is nicely above your 21-day sitting at 2.41. If it rolls back over, well, then she's going to go down. But right now, as long as it's above, that's good. And then what you want to do is look at that price channel. That is your target, 3.027. If you can close above your 2.87. All right, I'll have more for you a little bit in depth on crude oil and natural gas here after the pick close at 2:30. Thanks for watching.